my people on Facebook. This video is going around. I watched it, I'm not say nothing. People been disrespecting me, I'm not say nothing. But it's getting way out of hand. Way out of hand. Me and my daughter not too long sit down at the homework. And me get this call from a private number. Or a gunshot, me forget. Go gunshot your mama, boy. Your boy will call me, go gunshot your mama and steal other people's business. There is two sides to every story. You hear me? Two sides to every freaking story. Zin, Nadine, you're the first one to me forget gunshot. But mind you pick it up before me, because sometimes no woman do some things that even Satan not approve. I'm going to show you a picture people. See her there? You see her? She's the first person. See her there? She is the first person who said me forget gunshot. And this thing is getting way out of hand. Your little antivirus bacteria, boy. Stop telling the people them lie. Just because there's a picture that I post on social media, I'm not the one who wrote on it. It's your daughter, said father and daughter. And if you did not play your father role, she wouldn't do it. You understand? And you go say only when the little girl wants things she call you. One time she call you. One day time she call you. And you send 4,000 pound gear and you put it on social media. One time. You call me 11 o'clock at night time for talk to her and 2 o'clock. I'm going to tell you, say, don't call me them hours there. I look for you and I say, Talisa get home from school 4 or 5 o'clock, but me don't get home until 6 o'clock, so call her after 6. I tell her, say, she leave out 7 o'clock to catch the first trip on the school bus, so call her from 6:20 until to 7 when you know she leave out. And you know call her. Be at 2 o'clock and after 12 you call me. Where you call me them hours there for? You say it's not about sex and rare. I'm going to push the text them on social media. I can say you're wicked. I see you with this whole receipt where you show up on your chest every week and every other week you send money come give your pitney. Where? When? Sometimes for the month of 2,000 you give the little girl and I still don't say nothing. That's why I'm going to come where you're there. I'm going to take nothing out of your hand because you're a liar. You are such a liar. Second again, you go back and you say, oh, you mind my 2 sons from the 3 till the 11. Oh, you never work from the day me know you. Remember say after 1 floor, me take you up after. GZB, Egyptian, Highway, Marco Brand, Deva Brand, Nuclear, the whole of them can talk. Scratch D, Lele Rankin, Lemodine, the whole of them can talk say after me take you up after. Everybody can talk. So how you for mind me pitney? I know my kids them leave here before them even reach 9-year-old go a Philly. So what kind of thing that you talk? Eh? Why me dump you? Tell them why me left you. You never do a shit for me in a life. Yes, you're right, 2 songs give me. But what? Look how much things me do for you. Me pay rent for how many years for you. Take care of you, make you know what is life. And you go talk about 2 songs. Me never get a stage show for your song them. And you talk about your big song when me I collect much money for. Which big song? Nobody don't even know you more than in a port more than so. You talk about Egyptian song when me I collect royalty for. And my rhythm. And me buy the rhythm from Chicken. And my vice the whole on and pay for vice them. Egyptian was only a demo. Never go anywhere, never get a airplay. So how me feel collect big royalty off of? Me never get $1 off a Egyptian song. Me never get $1 off a your song. Go up a jams, go check it for yourself. Cause you go up there and them call me. My youth, stop calling me name my youth. You know, sister, me not see you. Me go push out the text and make people see who you is. Me buy a phone, get the little girl and send the little girl come spend 2 weeks with you. Use my own money. And when the pitney reach up there, you say the baby sick. I'm going to put money in your girlfriend account when you Kim. Plus, me make you get money and me send money to you. And when the little girl comes, she say, Mommy, me no think me want to go back when you because me is a wicked. Me never sick more than a little eczema bum come up on me too. Nobody now wash me clothes and me have to wash them. And you tell people, say, me no make you see your pitney. Oh, you wicked so youth. Oh, you wicked so. Oh, you cool so. And when you go stop tell lie. Me and you live. Right now the bed where you're dep on my son bed. The Chester dodge, just that everything in the house for me. I left everything here that I show you say me is a survivor. I left everything and the only thing I take out of the house is my daughter and my 2 passport. I tell people all type of shit about me.